You hear that? Dong, 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 dong. We're in St. George by St. George's Parish Church. Every 15 minutes, that bell goes off. So you know exactly what time it is when you hear that bell. So if you're in a hurry, now I gotta show you this church. Juliet, I'll be right back. Come, let's go in here for a minute. I gotta go in here and show you this church. So you see what happens is when that church bell rings, then you see it just went like tong, tong, tong. It's gonna do it like if it's 10 o'clock. So it should be 10 o'clock now, 10 o'clock. So that means that just went tong, tong, tong 10 times. So you know it's 10 o'clock. So now it's going to, this church bell is gonna go off again in 15 minutes. But you're not gonna hear the tong tong, you're just gonna hear the church bell go off. So you could set your clock, you could know it. Oh my goodness, I gotta get going. It is 10:15 already. You gotta go. So you can kind of, if you live in this area, because it is loud, so you can hear it throughout St. George, and you can buy that. Anyway, this is St. George's Parish Church, guys. Let me show you. This is St. George's Parish Church. Now, this is the church that we were christened as babies. We were christened in this church. My family went to this church. All my family is buried here. My mother's buried at this church. My father's buried at this church. It's a burial, as you see right here. This churchyard. And I don't know if we can walk around. Maybe I can go and visit right since I'm here. Excuse me, Sissy. Since I'm here, I want to go visit my grandmother, where my grandmother was buried. My father was buried here. My mother was buried here. My family, we were christened here. This is, I want to know what year, if they have something that tells you what year this church was built. This is a very old church. This is St. George's Church, guys. Let me see. Welcome, St. George's Parish Church. Let me see the timeline of my historical first British settlers. It has Great Hurricane destroyed church building 1780. Oh gosh, it's a lot of information here, guys. Church. This is the church. Oh look, church rebuilt in 1784. Guys, 1784, this is how,
yes,
yeah.
It all there.
Yeah.
But I know it's somewhere else written in here too.
So, okay, so the first church was built in 1637 to 1641. Then it was destroyed by Jeanette. No, not Jeanette, because Jeanette was with a great hurricane, destroyed it in 1780, and then it was rebuilt in 1784. And then, yeah, and then we have 1834, the abolition of slavery, and then in 1830, the full emancipation. So there's some history to this church, guys. Lots of history to this church. So this Barbados became independent here in 1966. That's when we got our independence. In 1937, there was a race riot. You see that? That was Buster. When Buster broke those chains, they had a monument of him built somewhere. I think it was moved. It was in town, but it was moved, or maybe it's still there. I have to find out. But there was a riot because people didn't want to be slaves anymore, you know. So there was a riot against slavery back then. Independence we have, and then journey to a republic was here just a couple years ago, 2021. So it became a republic from England. Okay, some great information there, guys. Some great information. All right, so let me continue. Let's continue, Juliet. Is there a back door this way, or we gotta go? We can't go that way. I think the people are practicing that way. Shh, don't interrupt. Okay, guys. I'm not going to take you all through the graveyard, but as I said, over here is where my mom, my dad, grandparents are buried here, uncle, everybody at this church, and it goes way, way back down there. This is a very old church. This is St. George's Parish Church. St. George's Parish Church. Alright, guys. Look, guys. You see the sign? It said these bells were donated by George DeVere and Barbara Davis to the glory of God and a loving memory. And they were donated. It says here they were installed in 1958. They become obsolete in 2003. All right, guys. Now, right over here across from St. George's Church is a vegetable market where you can go buy your vegetable. People come over here. It's a big area. People come and sell little stuff. So you see everybody park at the car. They can get the vegetables and stuff. So now I'm gonna go with my sissy so that she can get her vegetables. All right. So we have one over here. He's not selling vegetables. He's selling juices and food over there. Over here we're selling something. Hello. Oh, what are we selling? Shoes? Hi. This is St. George's Farmers Market right here. So let's go inside and see what they have that Juliet wants. Let's go, Sissy. I don't know what she wants, so. It's small, guys. I'm gonna turn off the camera because there's a lot of people. Guys, I don't know if you can see over there, but there's a cow over there that's loose. Not the black one, there's a brown cow. Let's see, and those people over there trying to get that cow and they can't get him catch. Okay, see, there's that brown cow over there. The cow is loose and they're trying to catch the cow, but they're having a hard time. The cow is like running all over the place. They can't catch the cow. Right over there. They're trying to catch that brown cow.
But the cow know that there's a way call it there, so
The cow know.
all around the trap.
Yeah, they got a trap set for him, but the cow is not going in that trap. I trade him over this trap. And this cow, they got some
a noose set 3 feet
for his feet, but he's not going in there. He know. You see, there he go again. There he go again. There he go again.
That cow run me already.
Yeah.
And Ronnie was not me for the left me.
He gonna save himself.
He do.
I actually did.
You left your granny. How could you leave your granny? Oh, I think they got it. They got it. Oh, nope. They ain't got it. They ain't got it. They got a loose there that is set. He's loose. He's loose. The cow just
I think
going.
they're trying to catch him to put him on that cart right there by that truck. See that truck? That
Yeah.
truck has a cart on behind it.
The
Yeah.
cow is like, nope, when they catching me. When they catching me, the cow gone on his own. Look at that.
They ain't got nothing. Don't know.
He's the other guy over there running. At least there's a fence there, so he can't get out the fence. but they're trying to. And this other cow, there's another cow over here that knows something is going on, so he keep
The
mowing.
problem is though.
You got it, Navi?
No, that's a black cow, but it's a brown one.
The thing
He's
is,
over on the other side. The lime
there
tree
is
is
actually
blocking
no
it.
fence over there because there's a part where there's no fence. So the cow, if it unleashed, it could actually go on the road. It could actually go on the road because there's no part where there's no fence. And it could roam free.
Carrying this go again, fellas, be in trouble, girl.
Yeah. Oh, there he goes again. Look, there's the cow again. Oh, they're trying to stop it from going. But the cow is like, nope. But why don't they hold the chain? Maybe, I don't know, maybe
that close to it.
Run
they
down.
can't get that close. Okay. Yeah. Oh, he got the chain. He got the chain. He managed to get it. He managed to get it. Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Not so,
Oh my
Navi, not so
goodness.
loud. Not so loud.
Did you see?
Eh.
Did you see that, Granny?
Yeah, I want to see it catch the cow.
Oh my.
Well, then them fellas' hands can be cut and that go. I took that cow around, not that one, the black one around here, right?
There's a black
Yeah,
one right
the
here.
black one tried to run.
And there's another cow over there. If you could see him, that is just keeping a lot of noise.
Oh my.
I can't.
Yeah.
Nobody don't have no cow?
Cause I just saw that.
Take Navi with you, Juliet.
Yeah, well,
Did you see how that
But they're his friends. You're going to get his friends, so take him with you. You're going to get his friends. Take him with you. Okay, go ahead and come back again. So where's the car? Where did they put him? All right. Look, he's sad over there. Look, he's like, oh, he's looking over there. He's sad. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know what's going. Yeah, I know. He's looking over there. Say, what you doing with my friend? What you doing with my friend? Where is he? I don't know where to put him.
He's telling me, run, it's market time.
Run, it's market time.
Yep, somebody gonna be eating beef tonight.
Yeah. But he don't look big enough for the
But he ain't gonna be
market. There he is, guys. I guess they kind of stick him there. Okay, so they finally got him on a yellow cord, a long cord. So that cord is strong. They're gonna try to wrap that around the tree. Oh, he's tying it onto the tree. Yeah, he tied it onto the tree, so he can't go much further from there. He's trying to escape, but he can't go much further. Yeah, he got him. Yeah. He's tied to the tree now.
And they're pulling him closer. See?
Yeah.
So they're shortening the rope.
They're
all the
shortening,
time
right.
So that he can't run and go anywhere.
Yeah. So if he go around the tree, then it's gonna get shorter and shorter.
No, they're pulling the rope. and
Oh,
shortening
they're shortening it. I see what you're saying. I think his foot is hooked up. And this one over here is keeping so much noise. He's not happy about what's going on over there. Yeah. I think they got him now. They got you now, buddy. Oh, poor cow.
Oh, they're talking about Navi.
That's Nabi talking to the neighbor. Finally, they got him, guys. He's been trying to catch this cow. He's been running wild. And they've been trying to catch
he
him.
wasn't running wild. He just got off the way. Probably he was staying over there. So they're probably trying to get him when he got away.
Yeah.
And now, I think they're trying to get him on that truck right there. That's what I'm telling you.
Oh, okay.
Because that truck got a trailer on the back of it.
Uh-huh.
It would leave.
Oh, okay. Look the monkeys on the fence, look.
Oh, there's another one.
Look the monkeys on the fence. And there's another one over there. Look. Yeah. There are monkeys all over this place, guys. It just rained. They're hanging out over there. There's two of them. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
Yep.
Hi, buddy. The monkeys, see, they're relaxing over there, look. They go up in the tree to eat everybody fruits and everything. There's just two of them. There they go. There they go. They're not afraid of you either, you know, guys.
Zero.
They just scattered. There's still one more over there.
Yeah.
Look, the monkeys, guys, look. Yeah. But there's another one, look, a baby, look. There's a whole family. They're going in that person's backyard.
Let's go right through there.
Yeah. There's a whole family.
Normally you don't see one monkey by himself. He's one.
Find a tree.
Look at the monkeys, guys, look.
5,
There's two over there.
6, another one in a tree.
Yeah. Move from there, Juliet, so we can see tail up. Look, one right there, look. He's a pretty big one, look. They go up and take the mangoes. Oh, you got a big mango in his mouth, look. You got a big mango. They don't care.
6 mangoes. 6.
The other one's got mangoes too, or just him?
The other one got mangoes. 6 monkeys just come over this tree. 6.
6 monkeys. Yeah, they're going along over there.
6 monkeys.